Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sleep quality with Sleep Number easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your sleep quality with Sleep Number, first, make sure to familiarize yourself with your Sleep Number settings. Start by determining your ideal Sleep Number setting. Lie down on the mattress and adjust the firmness using the Sleep Number remote or app. Take note of how the mattress feels at different levels and find the setting that provides optimal comfort. Once your sleep number is set, create a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights in your sleeping area to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Consider incorporating relaxing activities, such as reading or gentle stretching. Make sure your bedroom temperature is slightly cool, ideally around 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Eliminate any electronic distractions by turning off screens at least an hour before bedtime. Next, optimize your sleep environment for darkness and quiet. Use blackout curtains to block outside light and consider white noise machines to mask any disruptive sounds. Evaluate your Sleep Number bed's position. Ensure it's positioned away from direct sunlight and away from noisy street traffic. After that, track your sleep using the Sleep Number app. Review your sleep data regularly to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Make adjustments based on this feedback, allowing your Sleep Number settings to evolve with your needs. To further enhance your sleep quality, consider using Sleep Number accessories. Pillows and mattress pads designed for your specific sleeping style can make a significant difference. Experiment with additional layers of comfort, like breathable sheets and comforters, to create a cozy sleep haven. Lastly, prioritize consistency in your sleep schedule. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day to regulate your body's internal clock. Incorporating these steps will help you fully utilize your Sleep Number bed for an improved sleep experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.